If you're looking for a solid fishing rod, whether you're a seasoned angler or just getting into it, this video breaks down 9 of the best options out there right now. We've covered everything from affordable, reliable setups to high-performance rods built for bass, saltwater, or travel. You'll find links to the best prices for all the fishing rods mentioned in this video in the description and top comment. Also, the fishing rods aren't ranked in any exact order, so be sure to watch till the end to find the one that fits your needs best. Number 9 is the Ugly Stick GX2 spinning rod. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list. The GX2 is built on a graphite and fiberglass blend that Ugly Stick calls Ugly Tech. It gives the blank enough backbone for a surprise catfish, yet enough tip flex for throwing a light jig. The 3-piece, 6'6" medium model carries a 6 to 15-pound line rating and a 1/8 to 5/8 ounce lure window, so it covers bluegill dough balls, inline spinners for trout, and even small paddle tails for bass. The 6 one-piece stainless steel tough guides shrug off dock rash, and the clear tip design lets you see even slight pecks on the drop. And the full-grip shrink tube EVA handle stays firm when your palms get slimy. Best of all, a 7-year factory warranty seals the deal, which is rare at this price. Overall, if you need a rod that can ride in the truck, take a knock, and still be ready for the next pond hop without draining the wallet, the GX2 is that rod. Number 8 is the Magic L Ultralight Fishing Rod. This is the best ultralight fishing rod on our list. When the bite calls for micro spoons or hair jigs, the Magic L steps in with a 30-ton carbon blank that weighs around 80 grams in the 4'6" version. I chose the 6-foot light power, moderate fast option, which handles 3 to 8 pound line and 1/16 to 3/8 ounce lures right in the sweet spot for trout, crappie, and streamside bluegill. The Fuji O+A stainless frames with aluminum oxide rings keep line friction low for longer skip casts, while the split cork grip stays comfortable through a full morning of roll casts. The reel seat locks with a tactile click, letting you know it is seated even with cold fingers. The 2-piece ferrule leaves a touch of joint space, so the blank flexes like a 1-piece under load. If finesse fishing is your comfort zone and you want to pack light without losing sensitivity, the Magic L offers a sleek carbon tool at a friendly price. Alex sums it up perfectly. I love the lightweight and great quality. It has a good backbone and a lot of fun with light gear. Number 7 is the Zebco 33 Spincast Combo. This option is best for kids on our list. The classic push-button reel that taught half the country to fish now comes paired with a 5'6", 2-piece medium-power fiberglass rod and arrives pre-spooled with 10-pound Cajun line. The dual ceramic pickup pins, a 4.1-to-1 gear ratio, and a microfine dial drag make sure young anglers fight the fish, not the reel. An EVA full grip lets smaller hands find leverage, while the patented no-tangle design keeps morale high after a backcast into the cattails. The combo holds 1/8 to 1/2 ounce lures, so it covers beetle spins, slip bobber rigs, and even the occasional weightless worm. Overall, with a 1-year warranty and a twin pack option for siblings, the Zebco 33 is a great choice for the kids. Number 6 is the Ugly Stick Tiger Elite Spinning Rod. This is the best saltwater fishing rod option on our list. From jigging deep wrecks to soaking cut bait for grouper, the Tiger Elite handles coastal jobs effortlessly. The 6'3" heavy jigging model carries a 50 to 100 pound braid window and a 4 to 7 ounce lure slot, yet the rod weighs noticeably less than the regular Tiger series due to higher graphite content. The stainless 1-piece guides eliminate popped inserts on rocking boat decks, and the solid gimbal keeps the rod planted in a belt when a big amberjack dives. The EVA rear grip flares near the reel seat for leverage, while a trigger-style foregrip helps during vertical lifts. Now, the anglers who run charter boats like the 7-year warranty and the fact that users rarely break these sticks. Overall, if you need a bulletproof saltwater tool that shakes off corrosion and rough rides, the Tiger Elite belongs in your rod holder. Number 5 is the Cast King Royale Legend Pro. This is the best base casting rod on our list. Rolled from IM7 graphite under high pressure with nano resin, the Royale Legend Pro feels light in hand, yet transmits subtle rattle trap vibrations on long retrieves. The Fuji Fazlight K-frame guides angle forward so wind knots slide free, whether you spool braid, mono, or fluoro. On the other hand, the slip-lock silicone grips show a shallow groove pattern that digs in even when wet, and an exposed graphite reel seat keeps fingertip feel on the blank. Cast King's power transition system softens the spine at the joint and gives two-piece models a one-piece bend. The 7-foot 3-inch worm and jig casting option is rated medium-heavy fast with a lure window up to 1 ounce, which is perfect for Texas rigs, football jigs, or a half-ounce chatter bait. Overall, if you need a dedicated base rod that punches above its tag, the Royale Legend Pro deserves a spot on your front deck. And if you want to know the latest prices for the fishing rods discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. That way, we'll earn commissions while the cost remains the same for you, which is a nice way to support us in making more of these videos for you. Number 4 is the Plino telescopic fishing rod and reel combo. This is the most portable fishing rod on our list. This travel kit folds to backpack length, yet the carbon fiber and fiberglass blank still holds medium action for 6 to 12-pound line. The 1.8-meter model packs into a padded zip bag alongside a 12+1 bearing HA 3000 spinning reel, spare lures, and hooks. You can extend the sections with a twist, tighten the hood, and the ceramic guides line up only in seconds. The reel's foldable handle and aluminum spool keep weight down, while instant anti-reverse locks the hook on short bank swings, and the EVA knob balances the collapsed rod and doubles as a grip point during transport. Overall, for campers, road trippers, or anyone who wants a just-in-case setup under the seat, the Plino combo turns any water stop into fishing time. Number 3 is the Wildwater Fly Fishing Kit. This is the best fishing rod for fly fishing on our list. The kit centers on a 9-foot 5/6 weight, medium-fast IM8 graphite rod that weighs only 4.4 ounces and breaks into 4 pieces for the included 32-inch PVC tube. A Western cork handle with rubber trim rings stays comfortable through long roll cast runs, and a stainless stripper guide with silicon carbide ring keeps the fly line sliding clean. The die-cast aluminum reel arrives spooled with 85 millimeters of chartreuse WF5F line, 20-pound orange backing, and a 9-foot 5X tapered leader, so there's nothing hard for beginners. A rugged fly box rides in the case with 9 starter patterns, parachute atoms, hare's ear nymphs, and black-winged ants, plus nippers and forceps. As Caden says, I've had this fly rod for 5+ years now, and it's still like brand new. Very easy to fish with, even for a beginner. Comes with very high-quality components, flies, and line. It's been dinged up and thrown around without damage. It comes in a compact carry case. It stays in my truck most of the time. Overall, if you are new to the long rod or need a grab-and-go creek outfit, Wildwater's package covers a casting class and the first fish in one bundle. Number 2 is the Cast King Parig 2 fishing rod. This is the best value for money option on our list. This fishing rod is built on Toray 24-ton carbon using Cast Flex matrix and brings surprising punch for the cost. The Fuji O-ring guides keep the line in place, and computer-controlled wrapping at 4 angles maintains even power through the blank. Plus, the hybrid spigot joint lets the 2-piece rod flex like a 1-piece, while the EVA split grip trims weight for all-day casting. The 7-foot medium-light spinning twin-tip version ships with both medium-light and medium tops, which provides you with 2 actions in 1 tube. That means drop shot finesse in the morning and shaky head hops after lunch without a second rod. It's built to adapt to your day on the water without sacrificing comfort or care. Not only this, the SAF T-hook keepers protect foam boat seats, and the graphite reel seat sits low for palm comfort. Overall, anglers who want one stick to bridge panfish ponds, rocky points, and inshore flats without stretching the budget, the Parig 2 earns its value tag. Number 1 is the Saint Craw Triumph spinning rod. This is the best overall fishing rod on our list. St. Craw's SC2 carbon fiber now carries a higher strain rate and refined resin, which gives you the Triumph extra sensitivity without adding heft. The 7-foot medium-fast one-piece model weighs about 4.3 ounces and balances a 2,500 size reel with ease. The hard aluminum oxide guides and black stainless frames stay smooth under braid, and the nylon reel seat locks with a stainless secondary nut for zero wiggle. A premium full cork handle runs nearly the blank length, spreading pressure during long fights and offering a warm grip on chilly mornings. The Triumph covers 6 to 12-pound line and 1/4 to 5/8 ounce lures, which makes it a reliable Senko, small swim bait, or finesse jig rod. Overall, backed by a 5-year Superstar service warranty, the Triumph stands out as a rod that blends feel, power, and proven support, rounding out our list on top. And that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect fishing rod. And if you guys found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. If you found the one you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each fishing rod. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.